Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, not knowing what to upload next? It is the worst feeling. You want to grow your channel, but the ideas just are not coming. Well, that ends today. I am going to show you how to use YouTube Studio's built-in inspiration tools to get unlimited, tailored video ideas instantly. No more guessing, no more hoping something sticks. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly where to find the Inspiration tab, how to browse the suggestions it gives you, how to use custom prompts to dial in on exactly what your audience wants. And then I will walk you through the video details, like outlines, titles, and even thumbnail ideas. By the end of this, you will go from feeling stuck to having a fully planned video ready to go. All right, let us jump in. First things first, you need to open up YouTube Studio on your computer. Sign in if you aren't already. This is your home base. Now, on the left-hand menu, you will see an option that says Content. Click on that. This is where all your videos live. But we're not here to look at old uploads. Look at the top of the page, right next to the main tabs. You will see one labeled Inspiration. Go ahead and select that. And here is where the magic really starts. When you open this tab, you are not looking at random fluff. YouTube has done a lot of research and testing on this. The AI right here is pulling from your channel's history and your audience's interests. So what you are seeing are topics that your viewers are actually likely to watch. You will see several suggestion cards pop up. Just browse through them and see what jumps out at you. Now, say you want to narrow it down a bit. You will see these little clickable buttons called prompt chips. They're basically shortcuts. Click on one that feels relevant to your channel, and it will instantly generate a fresh batch of ideas built around that theme. It is a great way to explore a specific angle without having to type anything. But here is where you can really take control. Look for the prompt box. You can type in your own topic here. For example, if you run a gaming channel, you could type in something like best strategies for the new update. Or if you were a vlogger, maybe something like productive morning routine. Whatever it is, just type it in and click the Create Ideas button. Within a few seconds, you will get custom suggestions tailored exactly to what you asked for. It feels like having a brainstorming partner who never gets tired. So now that we have got a few ideas, let us dig into the details. Click on any of the generated ideas. Once you do, you will see three very powerful sections. The first one is the outline. This is huge. The AI will give you a suggested structure for your video, a beginning, a middle, and an end. You can click into it and expand sections, delete things that do not fit, or refine the wording. It saves you from staring at a blinking cursor, wondering how to start your script. Next up is the title section. You will see a handful of title ideas generated based on your topic. Now, here is a trick I have tested myself, and it works great. You can ask the AI to make them shorter or funnier or more click-worthy. It will rework them on the spot. So do not just settle for the first set. Play around with it until you find one that feels like a winner. Then we have got the thumbnails section. This is usually the hardest part for most creators. But here, YouTube suggests visual concepts and even AI-generated image ideas that match your content. It gives you a strong starting point, so you're not just staring at a blank canvas in your editing software. Once you have found an idea you like, do not lose it. Look in the top right corner of the idea card and click the Save button. This bookmarks it for you, so you can come back to it later when you are ready to film. Now, let me quickly walk you through the flow one more time, just so it is crystal clear. Go to your channel dashboard, click on Content up at the top, then click on Inspiration. From there, you can type in a topic like highlight or anything that fits your niche. Click on the suggested idea that comes up, and you can start exploring your outlines, your titles, and your thumbnails. And that is really all there is to it. The next time you are feeling stuck or your channel feels like it is stagnating, just open up the Inspiration tab. You will go from completely blank to confident with a full plan in just a few minutes. Give it a try on your next video, and I think you will be surprised at how much easier content creation becomes. Good luck, and I will see you in the next one.